In February 2015, two truck drivers experienced a harrowing encounter on the highway. A white truck aggressively approached them, causing them to stop, assuming there was an issue with their vehicle. However, the driver of the white truck remained inside, staring at them without any communication. Fearing danger, the truckers attempted to drive away, but the white truck blocked their path, leading to a tense confrontation. The truckers managed to escape, but the white truck pursued them, eventually ramming into their trailer. The driver keeps a safe distance as the white car abruptly stops, revealing a potential threat. Four individuals emerge and sprint toward the driver's vehicle, indicating a carjacking attempt. Police responded swiftly, locating the white truck and apprehending the driver. Upon investigation, it was revealed that the driver was mentally unstable. The incident could have escalated into a more dangerous situation, highlighting the potential risks faced by individuals on the road. On February 26, 2022, Reddit featured dashcam footage showing a white car's suspicious behavior near a tunnel. Swiftly, the driver accelerates, narrowly evading the assailants before colliding with the white car's door and fleeing. Viewers commend the driver's composed reaction, suggesting familiarity with such situations. Driver keeps a safe distance as the white car abruptly stops, revealing a potential threat. Four individuals emerge and sprint toward the driver's vehicle, indicating a carjacking attempt. The uploader, detailing the incident's location in Chile, highlights the prevalent risk of carjacking, particularly after 10 PT. Despite limited coverage, details about the assailant's capture remain undisclosed. This unsettling event serves as a reminder of the dangers on the road, emphasizing the need for vigilance, especially during vulnerable hours. The footage, recorded on March 30, 2014, depicts a chilling encounter on a dimly lit road outside Warsaw, Poland. A man and his daughter navigate the poorly illuminated thoroughfare, with visibility limited to a mere 20 or 30 feet, even with headlights on. A car approaching from the opposite direction flashes its headlights, ostensibly signaling a warning. However, the driver is unable to react promptly. Suddenly, a figure emerges in the middle of the road, prompting the driver to swerve. Despite efforts to regain control, the vehicle careens off the road, ultimately coming to a halt in a ditch. The presence of the mysterious figure, seemingly oblivious to the danger posed by passing vehicles, raises unsettling questions. Speculation arises regarding the individual's motives, whether under the influence or contemplating self-harm. The swift departure of the figure leaves their intentions shrouded in mystery. The driver and his daughter escape with minor injuries, yet the enigmatic encounter remains unresolved. Despite police efforts, the elusive figure evades identification, leaving the incident fraught with unanswered questions. James Shaw Jr., a car enthusiast, frequented California's roads in his Subaru Forester. On January 4, 2015, he cruised Angeles Crest Highway, enjoying its mountainous scenery. Unaware of a sharp turn after the second tunnel, James accelerated for the echo effect. His dashcam captured the moment his car veered off the road, halted only by a fortunate encounter with a drain pipe. Despite the close call, James emerged unharmed. After safely descending to the road, he called for assistance. Although a tow truck retrieved his totaled car, James shared the dashcam footage a year later to raise awareness.
Oh no! Oh no!
He candidly admitted his mistake, hoping others would learn from it. His experience underscores the importance of attentiveness and respect for road conditions, emphasizing the potential consequences of assuming familiarity with unfamiliar routes. On August 1st, 2021, the Antelope Fire, ignited by lightning, spread rapidly across California. Fire crews worked tirelessly to contain it, with multiple groups dispatched. Footage from September 10, 1 a.m. depicts a firefighting truck caught near the flames due to shifting winds. As the fire engulfs the road ahead and behind, the crew is forced to find an alternate route.
I mean, this was all fine when we were driving down here 2 hours ago. But I guess when it got away from us back there, went a little bit deeper interior and just...
244, engine 1671, keep driving as fast as you can, come on.
Yeah.
Urged to drive faster, they navigate through the blaze, expressing relief upon reaching safety. Though some trucks suffered damage, all firefighters escaped uninjured, except for one with burns to his hands.
Go!
Hey, 334's turning around, heading the other way.
This guy needs to drive.
North? We're gonna start heading south.
Oh.
Hey, we're backing up. We're cut off heading north out of...
It wasn't until October 15 there that the fire was fully contained, underscoring the challenges faced by firefighters in battling such wildfires. As we conclude our journey into the chilling unknown, remember to keep your wits about you and your headlights on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair-raising content. Until next time.